Hey, how you doing? Ray Rome's here, Bangkok, Thailand. Thinking about coming out? Want to learn how to get around the most affordable, fastest, and efficient way possible? Keep on watching, I'll show you how. Well, that was a quick little walk from my place on Sukhumvit 15 to Sukhumvit MRT station, otherwise known as BL22, is going to be our starting destination. Boop. Right, we're down under. No, not Australia. The subway station. The first thing I like to impress upon you is the cleanliness and well-maintained subway. NYC. Take notes. Well, the next step we have to take is buying a ticket. Not a ticket, a token. Just watch. You'll figure it out for yourself soon enough. First we're going to select English, and then we're going to select our destination, which is Sam Yot. It's going to cost me 33 baht. Now we're going to put the money in here. Apparently it doesn't want this money. Magic token and our change. Now we head to the station.
Sthani ต่อไปสถานีสามยอด Next station สามยอดสถานีสามยอดสามยอดโปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถสามยอด Station Please mind the gap between train and platform
Last but not least, we're going to shove our little token into the machine to let us out. Well, there you have it, folks. I just showed you how to use the MRT subway system here in Bangkok. from Sukhumvit to Sam Yot, otherwise known as I Just Took You Down. I just took you down to Chinatown.